So, my brothers and sisters, today I come with one announcement or information that you're supposed to know. On the 17th of December, before Christmas, before the opening of the bridge, the team of PAG Karuma Town Church has organized a prayer that will happen on the bridge before its grand opening officially. So this call to inform all of us that let us participate in this event that is taking place on the 17th. The prayer will start in the morning as early as 6, and people will walk while praying from Karuma up to the bridge while praying, and on the bridge we'll be crossing the bridge while praying and dedicating the bridge in the hands of God. So if you find it useful or you really want to participate in this bridge prayer, please check my number is in the bio, and you call me and let us discuss what you don't know and what you want to know about this prayer. This prayer is not for only PAG or not for only born again, but we're welcoming everyone. You're Muslim, you're born again, you're a Catholic, you're from Church of Uganda, Protestant, like that. Please, we are welcoming all of you to participate in this, because this prayer will help a lot of people. It will help a lot of people in terms of reducing the rate of accidents that always happen on that bridge before it was renovated. Please come and participate in this prayer so that our loved ones don't die when they are still young, or we don't lose our fathers, mothers, children, and our wives, so that at least God do something on that bridge before its opening. So we're welcoming you. My number is in the bio. You can call me and we talk, and you get to know all the information that you're supposed to get. And you people from places that cannot be reached, please, on that day, please, you also pray for the bridge before it is opening. We want to pray for this bridge before it is open. We don't want any car to first step on that bridge before it is open. So that is the reason why we are organizing the prayer. We first dedicate this bridge in the hands of God, so that God himself bless us and give us the strength and reduce the rate of accident that is always happening on that bridge. May God bless you. If there's any question that you want to ask, my number is in the bio. You call me and we talk and we see what we can do. As for now, may God bless you. May God bless you and bless you again. Amen.